To maintain your Whoop charging cable, follow these simple steps to ensure it remains in good condition and functions properly. First, handle the cable with care, avoiding twists, bends, and tangles that can cause damage to the internal wires. When not in use, store the cable in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight and moisture. Next, keep the cable clean by gently wiping it with a soft cloth and mild soap solution. Avoid using harsh chemicals or abrasive materials that can damage the cable's coating. Regular cleaning can help prevent dirt and grime from building up and affecting the cable's performance. It is also essential to check the cable regularly for signs of wear and tear, such as frayed wires, cracks, or broken connectors. If you notice any damage, consider replacing the cable to prevent any safety hazards or disruptions to your Whoop device. Additionally, be mindful of how you plug and unplug the cable, as rough handling can cause damage to the connectors and the device's charging port. Always grasp the plug when removing it, rather than pulling on the cable itself. To further extend the life of your Whoop charging cable, avoid overstretching or pinching it, and keep it away from extreme temperatures. By following these simple maintenance tips, you can help ensure your Whoop charging cable remains in good condition and continues to function reliably. By incorporating these best practices into your daily routine, you can help prevent damage, reduce the risk of safety hazards, and maintain optimal performance of your Whoop device. Remember to always handle your charging cable with care, and it will continue to serve you well.